Ah, wala pa. Oh. Don't worry sooner, di ba? So anyways, anong dala niyo pag nag-audit kayo?
Laptop, sir.
Laptop at chess pwede rin. So na laptop po eh. Sa iba tablet, tablet at chess level, not pointed. Yung mga neutral stats. Okay? So ayan guys ang emotional control. Everybody please say emotional control. Okay, next guys. Ito is something deep inside of you. Right? Ito naman, something that you have to verbalize. Acknowledge viewpoints. Okay. There's always a better or more positive way of saying things. If you are disagreeing, there's still a better way of disagreeing. So pag-aaralan natin yan. May mga example din tayo dito para maunawaan nyo. Okay. So number 1, name emotion. Ibig sabihin guys, i-acknowledge mo yung feeling nila. This is how you verbalize or how you put into words empathizing. So kung ano man ang kanilang nararamdaman, halimbawa, yung auditing mo, nagbiro, na-stress na ako man. I-acknowledge mo yung kanyang feeling, name mo yung emotion niya, tapos yung context. Halimbawa, eto, sino gusto magbasa? Kasi kailangan practicein din natin yung delivery. Again, it's not just what you say, it's also how you say it. Ganyan nga sinasabi mo, pero hindi naman dama ng auditing, parang hindi sincero, galing sa ilong. So, practicein natin yung delivery para tayo nag-a-acting workshop. Okay? Anyone who would like to read that? Kasi, ganyan ang example ang dapat mong sabihin. Go ahead. Dahil sample to, bibigyan ko ng blue. Mas mataas yung blue 3 points. Good job for winning, you get 3 points. Sige. Na-stress na ako, pasensya na, ha?
Ako na-stress, tapos may customer pa
Buti naman, hindi ka manahit, no? Buti naman, may malasakit ka, ma'am. Kaya gusto kita auditor, ma'am, eh. Ayan, gets you, guys? And that's the first one of how acknowledge viewpoints. Example, name emotion, acknowledge feeling, and the context.
Follow top Filipino corporate trainer, speaker, consultant, facilitator, and coach, Mentor Myron for more.